Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, do subscribe. Yeah, you guys, we normally do shipping from China to Kenya, and as you can see over here, I do have a package from China that just came in. This package is not so huge as you can see, but believe you me, this package it contains like 100 pieces of the things that I'm going to show you guys. So I want us to unbox together so that we can be able to see what I shipped in. Actually, sometimes I just go to Alibaba and check out some nice things, some cheap things. You know that sometimes you just want to bring in cheap things that you feel that you can be able to sell in Kenya. That's what I did in this order, guys. Yeah, because they were trending there on Alibaba, and the minimum order was 100 pieces, and I was like, OMG, they are so cheap. I'm going to get them and I'll be able to try and sell them here in Kenya. And I posted them on the group, yeah, and most people are interested because imagine when I posted in the group, you were supposed to only pay 100 bob and then 100 bob when this thing gets to you in Kenya. So let me stop calling it this thing, yeah. These are supposed to be like you place your phone on top of the charger. This is something to maximize on your space. So it comes in with a sticker. Let me get one color that I'm going to use in my house. Yeah, because I can see they are well sealed. These are not the ones that you just remove and then you take back. It's quite sealed there. And I'm a lover of white, yeah. Guys, these things were quite cheap on Alibaba. So it comes with a sticker. So all you need to do is you're going to remove the sticker and then you're going to place it here at the back and then you paste it on the wall. Yeah, so when you're charging your phone, you don't need to keep placing your phone on top of the phone on top of the charger. You just place it next to the socket. Yeah, next to the socket, you put it there. So you just put your phone. Yeah, let me get a phone, I show you. So if you have this phone over here and you want to charge it, you just take it and then you place it like this. Yeah, so you see the charger will be here and it will be stuck on your wall like that. So you're able to just charge, yeah, easily. And then you see it's very neat. It's very neat. So guys, you can see, and it's very strong. It can hold all types of phones and it's quite big. Yeah, so I believe it can fit other types of phones. Yeah, it comes with a sticker. Yeah guys, for those people who are in our WhatsApp group, they were able to get this at they're only paying 100 and then 100 for clearance. So meaning they've gotten these things for only 200 bob, you guys. Imagine that, yeah. And it comes in different colors, as you have seen. Let me show you the other colors. I have, this is orange, we have green, we have pink. Hey, the lighting today. We have pink. Yeah, so as you can see, I have many over here. So if you're interested, I'm going to be selling them. So check out, join my WhatsApp group so that you can see the price I'm gonna be selling them at. Check me out on my social medias. Yeah, that is everywhere. I'm either Grace Kenya Imports or Imports Kenya. Yeah guys, when you see a page like that, be assured that it's been run by me, guys. Yeah, so I'm super excited about this sale. So guys, as I always tell you, yeah, you can always try and get something on Alibaba. Don't always just get the normal things that everyone is getting. You can try get something else that is cheap, because trust me, like this one, it was very cheap. I even now feel I should have taken even like 200 pieces, because you can imagine this one came via sea. So coming via sea, I've paid a total for this box. This whole box, I've paid 5,800. So meaning one piece is 58 bob. One piece is 58 bob, you guys, yeah, on the shipping part. Yeah, so I should have brought in like 200 of them, because 200 of them would not have even gotten to that 0.1 cbm. So imagine if there were 200 of them and I'd paid 5,800. So how much? Do the maths, you guys. Yeah, it would have been cheap guys. So I keep telling you, if you want to train on how to bring in things from China, I'm your girl. I'm the person to talk to, guys. I do consultations. Yeah, I see some of you come, they are like, hey, that is too expensive. But guys, for that information, if you take an online class, it's just 2,000 bob, guys. Yeah, if you do a face-to-face meeting, a physical meeting, it's 3,500, guys. I'm able to come and interact with you. You know, I don't limit you on what you want to ask me. You'll ask everything. I give you the shipping agent I use. I give you their direct address in China, in Kenya, their direct contact. You guys, don't miss out on this. Yeah, so I'm super excited about this. Yeah, I can't wait to sell them to you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to take pictures and then I'm going to sort them out according to the people who had bought. Yeah, so that's always the first thing I do. I sort them out when they get here, so that I'm sure who bought what, the colors. Yeah, I give you that liberty in the group. You can even, if you want a pink one, you choose pink, like that. People are able to choose the colors that they want, you guys. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for always thank you guys for always watching my videos. I'm super excited to be doing this journey with you. Yeah, and continue supporting me. I totally appreciate. And if you have any questions, my number is 0715-660-466. Until the next one, guys, bye.
Well, you can open.
You can see me.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. You like color white?
Mm.
Can I have color pink?
Okay, Mama.
I open.
Can you see it? Yeah, come with. Oh my God, look like this.
It's sticking. Wow. It's sticking. Wow! I love it. Can I have this one? I do it this. Wow! Can I? This is for who? This one.
Customer.
Where is mine for color pink? Like this. Where is mine for color pink? Mom, but I want this for color pink. Can I have this for color pink?